Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. By the time this video is up, I believe it's going to be either the last week of December or the new year already. So hopefully you guys have had a good holiday season and a good Christmas, and I hope that you got a good rest. Everyone deserves their rest for the year, as it's been a long year. But anyway, this is going to be my I think last candle haul for this year, and I have already bought this one prior to Candle Day. Candle Day is December 4th to 6th, and it's the annual Bath and Body Works I guess candle days now because of COVID, but it's the lowest price for their 3-wick candles in the whole year. And if you watch any of the candle fanatics on YouTube, they talk about a lot of Candle Day because, again, it's like the best prices for the 3-wick candles in Bath and Body Works. So I got these candles before Candle Day when these 1 wicks actually went on sale, and they were half off. So I just decided to try a bunch of them because as I've said, like I really find Bath and Body Works candles to be very, very strong. So I struggle with finding the scents that I really like and that's not gonna give me a headache. So I finally found some that I really, really love, and I wish that I had I'd gotten like the bigger 3-wick size. This one's the only 3-wick that I got because it was an exchange from my previous purchase. I didn't burn that candle so much because I don't even know the name anymore, but it really gave me a headache. So when these Christmas candles and winter candles came out, I was super, super excited. So let me just show you. I burnt all of these already, so I can give you some, I guess, impressions about how they burn and what they smell like and such. So first candle is Winter. This is the only 3-wick that I got. It's in this nice packaging with all the snowflakes on it, and it's been burning actually fine. I don't have any issues with it. I don't tinfoil it. I just cut the wicks down before I burn it, so it's not so intense. And this is my favorite of all the candles here, and I'm happy that I actually got the biggest one of it. It smells like pine and clove, and it just smells very Christmassy to me, and also very cozy. So I can burn this for a few hours and not get a headache, and again, like, it burns really well. So I can't say anything bad about this candle. I wish I had more of it, and I wish I could go to Bath and Body Works and just pick up or stock up on this scent, because I can burn this all year and I wouldn't be sick of it. If you're wondering what that candle is over there, that's actually an IKEA candle. So that's the little surprise I have here. Let's just get to this one. IKEA has, I think, a partnership with Byredo. I think it's a scents company. I'm not sure, but I've heard of that name before. And when I saw it in IKEA, I was like, oh, this is cool. But then they didn't have it in stock in my IKEA here, so I found this one instead, and it was only $1.79 or something. It was super cheap, and I think this one is the elderberry and rhubarb scent, and this is really, really, really good smelling. Like, it's a light scent. It's not gonna give you a headache. It smells it's like fresh. A tiny bit tart, but very fresh scent. A bit floral, but very, very fresh. It's just, I don't know, it's just a good scent. So they also had other varieties there. I think there was like a coffee one and one that's lemon, but I decided to go with this one just to try, and no issues with burning it as well. It burns really clean, and you don't have to tinfoil it. So yeah, that one's a good buy. Next one that I really like is this one. It's the Aromatherapy Rose and Lavender candle. I believe this is a new scent for Bath and Body Works, and it's a single wick. As you can see, it doesn't burn really well because there's some tunneling over here. But even if I tinfoil this one, There's still a bit that goes, you know, unburnt, so I have to, I guess, scrape that one off and try to even it out. But the smell of this one is so good. If you like rose scents, this is one to go for. It's more rose than lavender, but it doesn't give you that fake rose smell. It's more of a fresh rose smell. So also, because it's a single wick, it doesn't overpower the entire room or your senses. It just burns really nicely, and just the throw is good. This one's a favorite of many people. It's very popular. It's called Sweater Weather. And this one is a bit, again, I've burnt this one, see? This one burns really good. Like there's no tunneling whatsoever. And this one is a very, I would say there's a bit of peppermint in there. There's a bit of floral in there, but not very much. It's like a refreshing scent, almost. Refreshing but cozy, if that makes any sense. I don't know if they tell you the notes here. I don't think so. But yeah, this is a good one to burn. It's very wintry. There's no hint of vanilla. There's no hint of pineapple. I generally don't like those scents anyway. So all of these are like that. That kind of wintry scents. And last one is Frozen Lake. This one's my least favorite, but it's not really bad at all. It's somewhat similar to the Sweater Weather in the sense that it has that like refreshing pepperminty note to it, but this one smells more masculine. Definitely smells more cologne-y, like a cologne, than any like natural scent. So not super favorite, a bit soapy, I think, but you know, it's all right. It's not very super overpowering like other candles from Bath and Body Works, so I really like it. And I think that between all these candles from Bath and Body Works this year, I'm already good. I probably would end up using Winter a lot and the Rose one first, and then I'll dig into the Sweater Weather and Frozen Lake. So yeah, and also my little IKEA candle called Valdoft. If you didn't get that, that's what it's called. And yeah, so that's my haul, and I hope that, you know, if you did Candle Day this year, I hope that you had fun. Good for you. I hope I wish I could go out and actually do that, but again, COVID. So anyway, Happy New Year to all of you guys. You know, for all of you who have supported my channel throughout the years, thank you so much. I can't appreciate you more. Like it's just been you know, YouTube, creating these videos have been a source of inspiration and release for me. So it's kind of like my I don't know, my little happy place. So thank you for that. And if you are you know, just dropping by to see what I got, then you know, please consider subscribing and joining this channel. I mainly do handbag videos and SLGs, but again, as I've said in my previous videos, this is just a little break from all that. So anyway, have a good day, guys. Bye.